In here, I will to tell you about the controversy between nature and nurture. Does anyone here know what nature and nurture are? No? Okay. The controversy between nature and nurture is a debate about how much influence genetics and environmental factors have in shaping a person's characteristics. Before the continue the next discussions, it will be good for us to know the meaning of both. First, nature. Nature is a biological factor, so that within a person there are inherent genetic characteristics and of course will influence person's nature. Meanwhile, nurture. Nurture is an environmental factor. The experience individuals receive from their environment can shape human personality. The concept of nurture is closely related to interaction and the social environment. Next, example. Example of nature are physical appearance such as skin color, eye color, height, and others. Meanwhile, example of nurture. Example of nurture is nutrition, activities, adult role models, and relationships with peers. Nature and nurture are two things that mutually influence each other. Therefore, a balance between these two concepts needs to be maintained in order to shape human development. Not only personality formations, the concept of nature and nurture also have an important role forming talent and intelligence in us. So, it is not surprising that there are some people whose parents have singing talents and their children are also good at singing. Both nature and nurture play a role in human development, including intelligence and personality. Nature and nurture are closely related and cannot be separated for certain. Although innate factor and upbringing play a large role in shaping human development, it is the differences between genetics and environment that determine a person's behavior, personality, and overall well-being. Being educated play a big role in human development. That's all I can say. Hopefully it's useful for all of us. Thank you for attention. Bye-bye.